Frugal Chef. Today we'll be making Brigadeiros, also known as Brazilian truffles. This is a really easy recipe and really delicious. So let's get started. We're gonna start off with a thick pot, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna add 1/14 ounce of condensed milk. Now our condensed milk has to be sweetened. Now what we're gonna add next is 1 tablespoon of salted softened butter and 1/4 of cocoa powder. Now your cocoa powder can be sweetened or it can't be sweetened. It doesn't really matter. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this on the stove at medium heat and we're gonna cook it until it is thick. And I'm gonna turn on my stove to medium heat. I'm just gonna mix our ingredients with a rubber spatula until they are all mixed in together and it becomes a thick consistency. So I'll see you then. Okay everyone, this is how my brigadeiro dough is looking. Now I'm gonna let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes before we form our brigadeiros. And what I did is I just took it out of the stove and out of my pot and put it in another separate bowl. And if you like to, you can put it in the fridge, but it's not necessary. Okay everyone, I put some butter on my hands so our dough wouldn't stick. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a little bit of dough and make it into a small ball, just like this. And we're gonna dip it in chocolate sprinkles. Now you can use any topping you'd like, but I'm using chocolate sprinkles because it goes more with our dough. Now we're gonna do the exact same thing with all our brigadeiro dough. And I have 1 cup of chocolate sprinkles here, but you can have more or less, depends on how much dough you have. Okay everyone, it's time to taste my brigadeiros. Now these look amazing. Look at them. They look delicious. Let's taste it. Make sure to follow this recipe because it's a delicious recipe. Okay everyone, thank you so much for watching. Now don't forget to turn on your post notifications bell, subscribe to this channel, give it a big thumbs up. Thank you guys. See you next time.